Launching a product on Amazon is more than just listing it and waiting for sales to roll in. It requires careful planning, strategic execution, and continuous optimization. Here are some insights from our team of experts: market research and product selection. Before launching a product, it's crucial to conduct thorough market research and select the right product. Our experts emphasize the importance of analyzing market trends, assessing competition, and identifying profitable niches. AMZ Product Launcher provides tools and resources to help sellers find lucrative product opportunities and make informed decisions. Optimized listings. A well-optimized product listing is essential for attracting customers and ranking higher in Amazon search results. Our experts emphasize the importance of keyword research, compelling product descriptions, high-quality images, and optimized back-end search terms. AMZ Product Launcher offers guidance on optimizing listings to maximize visibility and conversion rates. Strategic launch plans. Launching a product successfully requires a strategic plan to generate initial sales and boost visibility. Our experts recommend utilizing promotional strategies such as Amazon PPC campaigns, discounted launch offers, and influencer collaborations. AMZ Product Launcher provides step-by-step guidance on creating effective launch plans tailored to individual products and goals. Continuous monitoring and optimization. The work doesn't end after the product launch. Our experts stress the importance of monitoring performance metrics, gathering customer feedback, and making data-driven optimizations. AMZ Product Launcher offers tools and analytics dashboards to track sales, monitor keyword rankings, and identify areas for improvement. Launching products on Amazon is both an art and a science. It requires creativity, strategy, and continuous learning. By leveraging insights from AMZ Product Launcher experts, sellers can enhance their product launching strategies and achieve greater success on the platform. Remember, success on Amazon is within reach with the right guidance and support. For more detailed guidance, resources, and personalized support to launch and grow your Amazon business, don't hesitate to visit us, and we can help you find your first product and help launch it on Amazon. You can also simply Google AMZ Product Launcher to find us. We're here to help you navigate every step of your Amazon selling journey. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, your successful Amazon journey starts here at AMZ Product Launcher.